Take extra concept. If f of x equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube a power 4x power 4 a power 5x power 5 a6x power 6 and so on. That is nothing but sigma ar x power r equal to 0 to n. Then there are standard results relation among coefficients a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on. Of them, first one, sum of the coefficients a0 plus a1 plus a2 and so an. So clearly this value obtained by keeping x equal to 1 on both sides. So put x equal to 1 on right hand side, RHS becomes a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 and so on plus an. So formula for that f of 1. So in the place of f of x, some expression is given, some binomial or trinomial, the expression contains 4 terms or 5 terms or 6 terms etc. But variable is only one, that is x. In that case, sum of the coefficients formula f of 1. In some cases, this one contains 2 or more than 2 variables. Suppose LHS contains 2 variables x and y. Then formula for sum of the coefficients obtained by keeping x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Suppose this one contains 3 variables x, y, suppose x, y, z. So put x equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 1, get required sum of the coefficients. That is a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus and so on plus an. So easy to remember. Some also they can ask what is a0 plus a1 plus a2 and so on, or what is the sum of the coefficients in the expansion of this one. So formula for that f of 1. Next. Sum of the coefficients with alternative plus or minus signs. So a0 minus a1 plus a2 and so on. So clearly f of minus 1. X equal to, put x equal to minus 1 on right hand side. a0 minus a1 plus a2, because minus 1 whole square plus 1, minus 1 whole power 4 plus 1, minus 1 whole cube minus 1, thus plus or minus signs. So sum of the coefficients with alternative plus or minus signs is f of minus 1. Okay. Next, applications of these two. By adding these two, get one more result. By subtracting, get one more result. See, clearly sum of these two. Sum of these two is 2a0, a1 a1 cancel, 2a2, a3 a3 cancel, 2a4 and so on. Therefore, 2 times of a0 plus a2 plus a4 plus a6 and so on equal to f of 1 plus f of minus 1. By dividing with 2 on both sides, get a0 plus a2 plus a4 and so on. So formula for this, sum of the above 2 by 2. Sum of the above 2 is 2 times of the required. So required is f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. So they can ask what is a0 plus a2 plus a4 and so on, or what is the sum of the coefficients of the terms with even powers of x. So here x power 0 even, a2 is coefficient of x square even, a4 is coefficient of x power 4 even and so on. So they can ask what is the sum of the coefficients of the terms with the even powers of x? So by heart formula f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. Similarly, subtract by 2, get one more result. So by subtract a0 cancel, a1 minus of minus a1, 2a1, a2 cancel, plus 2a3 and so on. So by subtract get to 2 times of a1 plus a3 plus a5 plus and so on. Therefore required is a1 plus a3 plus a5 and so on equal to f of difference by 2. Okay, difference by 2. So for this they can ask what is the sum of the coefficients of terms with 2 odd powers of x. So odd powers of x difference by 2, even powers of x sum by 2 by heart. Next, sum of the squares of these by using sum of the squares of third one and fourth one get one more result. By using sum of the squares of third one and fourth one, a0 plus a2 and so on whole square plus a1 plus a3 plus and so on whole square equal to. So sum of the squares of these two, LCM 4. In numerator, sum of the squares of numerators is in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, formula for that 2 times of a square plus b square. Therefore 2 times of f of 1 whole square plus f of minus 1 whole square, 2 times cancel. Now by heart, sum of the squares of a0 plus a2 plus and so on and a1 plus a3 plus a5 and so on is f of 1 whole square plus f of minus 1 whole square by 2. Okay. Thus there are total 25 to 30 results similar. This type of there are 25 results. Of course, of them maximum 6 or 5 or 6 useful to mains exam. All remaining are we will use remaining all in advanced exam, in advanced range problems only. Okay. Similarly, difference of squares of these two. Difference of squares of these two is a0 plus a2 and so on whole square minus a1 plus a3 and so on whole square equal to difference of this, so the square of this one minus square of this one. Clearly LCM is 4 and the difference of the squares of these two is in the form of a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square. Formula 4ab means 4 into f of 1 into f of minus 1, 4 cancel. Therefore formula for difference of the squares of the third one and fourth one is f of 1 into f of minus 1. Okay. So in these two cases, problems related to these two cases, they can ask directly what is this one and what is this one. So by heart. Next. 7th and 8th. 7th and 8th. See. A0 A0 minus A2 plus A4 minus A6 and so on. Similarly, A1 minus A3 minus A5 and so on. See formula for this. So sum of the coefficients of terms with even powers of x with alternative plus or minus signs. This is sum of the coefficients of terms having odd powers of x with alternative plus or minus signs in terms of f of I and f of minus I. See, put x equal to I on both sides. I means imagine iota. The value of I square is minus 1. I equal to root of minus 1. Put x equal to I on both sides the given one. So a0 plus a1i I square value minus 1. Okay. Plus A3 I cube value minus I power 4 value 1 and so on equal to f of y. Next, put x equal to minus I on both sides. So on right hand side, by keeping x equal to minus I, a0 minus a1 I minus I whole square is also minus 1. Next, minus I whole cube, minus of minus I plus I power 4 value 1, minus I whole power 4 is also 1 because even power equal to f of minus I. See these two, clearly sum of these two. By adding these two, get first one. By subtracting, get second one. Okay. So by adding 2a0, these two are cancelled. Minus 2a2 and next two terms are cancelled. Plus 2a4 and so on. Therefore, by adding these two, 2 times of a0 minus a2 plus a4 minus a6 and so on equal to f of I plus f of minus I. Therefore, required is f of I plus f of minus I 2. Okay. Clearly, similarly, by subtract a0 cancel, 2a1i, a2 cancel, minus 2a3i, thus this is equal to 2 times of a1 I into a1 2i times of, by taking 2i a1 minus a3 plus a5 and so on. Therefore, this is equal to f of y minus f of minus I, not only 2i, because we are taking 2i common. Okay. And again, see all these 8, and again by using third one and seventh one, get one more result. Third one and fourth one. By adding these two, 2 times of a0, a2 cancel, 2 times of a4, a6 cancel and so on. So third one plus seventh one, by using third one, by applying third one plus seventh one by 2, get a0 plus a4 plus a8 and so on. 2 times of a1, 2 times of a4 and so on equal to f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2 plus f of I minus f of minus I by 2i whole divided by 2. Okay, means by 4 by 4. And similarly, by using fourth one and eighth one, fourth one and eighth one, get one more result. So by adding a1, 2a1 plus a3 cancel, a5 cancel and so on. So by using third one and seventh one, fourth one and eighth one, get 4 results. And similarly, sum of the squares of these two. See, sum of the squares of these two. By using sum of the squares of these two, get one more result. By using sum of difference of the squares of these two, another result. They are 9 and 10, 11 and 12 also completed. Okay. So up to 12. See, all these are applications of only first 2, 1 and 2. So you have to, for mains exam, for particularly mains standard problems, you have to by heart first one, second one. By heart just clear first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Please, all of you by heart 1, 2, 3, 4 for only mains exam, and remaining we will use remaining standard problems only. Okay. So 12 completed. See, next 13th one. This is important for mains exam. The value of A0 plus A3 plus A6 plus A9 plus and so on. Difference 3. Difference between successive suffix values. Consecutive suffix values 3. So what are the roots of unity? Two roots of unity. They are 1 omega and omega square. See the proof of this one. Put x equal to 1 on both sides. Get a0 plus a1 omega plus a2 omega square plus a3 omega cube value 1, a4 omega power 4 value omega, a power a5 omega power 5 value omega square, a6 omega power 6 value again 1, and so on. Oh, sorry. Put x equal to 1, a0 plus a1 plus a2 and a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a5 plus a6 and so on equal to f of 1. This is f of omega. Put x equal to omega on both sides, get this one. Next, put x equal to omega square on both sides. a0 plus a1 in the place of x omega square. Omega square whole square means omega power 4 means omega. A3 omega cube whole cube, so 1 cube 1 plus omega square whole power 4 omega power 8 value omega square omega power 10 value omega omega square whole power 6 omega power 12 value 1 and so equal to f of omega square. By adding these three get required. See, a0 plus a0 plus a0, 3 a0, okay, plus a1 by taking a1 get 1 plus omega square value 0. Similarly, by taking a2 common from these three terms, 1 plus omega square plus omega is also 0. Then a3 plus a3 plus a3, 3a3. Similarly, next term 0, next term 0, next term a6, 3a6 and so on equal to f of 1 plus f of omega plus f of omega square. So by dividing it to 3 on both sides, so a0 plus a3 plus a6 plus and so on equal to f of 1 plus f of omega plus f of omega square by 3. Okay, by heart this one, very important. A0 plus A3 plus A6 plus A9 plus and so on formula. So difference between constant suffix values 3. Cube roots of unity are 1 omega square. I remember like that. Okay. Cube roots of difference 3 start from 0. Difference 3 start from 0. Then cube roots of unity 1 omega square. So answer f of 1 formula f of 1 plus f of omega plus, so formula for this f of 1 plus f of omega plus f of omega square by 3. its applications. In some cases, they can ask what is A3 plus A6 plus A9 plus and so on. In that case, answer that one minus A0. Minus A0 means that is constant term in the given expression. So this is standard. Its applications. So for mains, this one is sufficient. Its applications are important for advanced weighing problems. Say 14th one. Required is 2A0 minus A1 minus A2, 2A3 next minus A4 minus A5 and so on. 2 minus minus 2 minus minus next 2 minus minus and so on. So formula for this one obtained by clearly by adding second one and the third one. Add these two clearly by adding these two 2A0 plus by taking A1 common omega plus omega square value minus 1. So 2A0 minus A1. Again by taking A2 common get omega square plus omega value minus 1. Next to 2A3 next to minus 1 plus 2A6 and so on. Okay. So clearly this is f of omega plus f of omega square by 2. Okay. Next one A2 plus A5 plus A8 and so on. So in this one also difference of constitutive suffix values is 3 but start from 2. So this one obtained by using the operation first one plus omega into second one plus omega square into third one. See what will happen? First one plus second one into omega plus third one into omega square. Then what happened? A0 by taking A0 get 1 plus omega square value 0. Okay, next. First one plus omega into second one and omega square. Third one into omega square and omega power 4. Omega power 4 value omega. By adding these three and by taking A1 common 1 plus omega square plus omega is also 0. Okay. Next. A2 plus into omega means omega q value 1 and A2 into omega square omega q value 1. That's A2 plus A2 and then 3A2. Similarly next to 3A5, next to 3A8 and so on. So this is first one plus second one into omega plus third one into f of omega squared by 3. Get required. Okay. So next is similar one. A1 plus A4 plus A7 and so on. So in this one also difference of conjugated suffix terms is 3 but start from 1. This one obtained by using the operation f of 1 plus omega square into second one plus omega into third one. Okay. First one plus see the difference omega square into second one plus omega into third one by 3. Get required A1 plus A4 plus A7 plus and so on. Next, last application A0 plus A6 plus A12 plus A18 plus and so on. So we can remember easily this one because see the difference of conjugated suffix values, so that is 6. Start from 0. 6 difference is 6 start from 0. So they are roots of 6 roots of unity. X power 6 minus 1 equal to 0. X cube minus 1 into x cube plus 1 equal to 0. Roots of this one are 1 omega omega square. Roots of this one are minus 1 minus omega square. In this one, what happened in this one? Difference of consecutive suffix values 3 start from 0. So f of 1 plus f of omega square. Similarly, this is equal to f of 1 plus f of omega plus f of omega square plus f of minus 1 plus f of minus omega plus f of minus omega square by 6, not the number of terms 6, by 6. So by using this, by using the numerator operation, get 6 times of a0 plus a6 plus a12 plus a18 and so on. So by dividing the 6 on both sides, so get required. So these are applications of this 13th one. So 17 completed. Next model. Next model, say the value of a1 plus 2a2 plus 3a3 plus 4a4 and so on. Similarly, same terms with alternative plus or minus a1 minus 2a2 plus 3a3 minus 4a4 and so on. So clear. Differentiate on both sides. Put x equal to 1. Get first one. Second one obtain by keeping minus 1 in f dash x. See? Differentiate on both sides. F dash x equal to derivative of constant term 0. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of x power 4, 4x cube and so on. Okay. Now put x equal to 1, get first one. Put x equal to minus 1, get second one. Therefore, formula for this f dash 1, formula for this f dash minus 1. Okay. Next is similar results. See, 1 square into a1 plus 2 square into a2 plus 3 square into a3 and so on. Same terms with alternative plus or minus. 1 square into a1 minus 2 square into a2 plus 3 square into a3 and so on. Next, 2 plus the 3. 1 cube into a1 plus 2 cube into a2 plus 3 cube into a3 and so on. Next, 1 cube into a1 minus 2 cube into a2 plus 3 cube into a3 and so on. Next, 1 power 4 a1 minus 2 power 4 a2 plus 3 power 4 a3 power 4a1 minus 2 power 4a2 minus 3 power 4a3 and so on. So I can extend this. Very easy to remember. So we will use all these in only advanced range problems. So these two are clear. See this one. First to differentiate the given function f of x means f dash x. Now multiply with x. Again differentiate with respect to x. Then put x equal to 1. Then this one. Then we will get this one. Okay. Same operation, but x equal to finally x equal to minus 1. For this powers of coefficients 3. So for these two working rule, same operation apply 2 times. Means find f dash x multiply with x. So again differentiate. Again multiply with x. Again differentiate. Wait. Sorry. 2 with power 4. See, first to find f dash x into x. Again differentiate. Now right. Multiply with x. Again differentiate. Put x equal to 1. Get required this one. Same operation. X equal to minus 1. Same apply one more time for last two terms. For last two, multiply with first to f dash x into x, then differentiate into x, then differentiate into x, then differentiate. Put x equal to 1. Get the last part 1, and by keeping x equal to minus 1, get last one. Okay. So these are standard results. In all these, you have to by heart particularly 6 or 7 for only mains problems. All remaining belongs to advanced range problems. So before observe problems related to the above concept, please all of you read the above all formulae and by heart and write 3 to 4 times, please. Now see the problems related to the above concept. First one, the sum of the coefficients of 1 plus x minus 3x squared whole power 171. So clear, some formula for sum. This is f of x. Required is sum of the coefficients. So first formula, sum of the coefficients is f of 1. Put x equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 minus 3. Minus 1 whole power odd number is minus 1. Second one, sum of the coefficients of x plus 2y plus z whole power 10. In this one there are 3 variables. So then also for finding sum of the coefficients, keep x equal to y equal to z equal to 1. Then 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 power 10 answer. Next, third one. the sum of the coefficients of terms, so even powers of x in 1 plus x square plus x cube whole power 5. Sum of the coefficients of the terms having even powers of x formula. See third one, f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. Okay. Clearly f of 1 is 4 power 5, f of minus 1, 1 minus 1 cancel, 1 minus 1 cancel, 0 by 2. So required is 4 power 5 by 2 answer. Okay, next. Fourth one, sum of the coefficients of terms of odd powers of x. Same. So, fourth formula, 1 plus x minus x square minus x cube whole power 8. So, formula for that, f of 1 minus of f of minus 1 by 2. So, when x is 1, 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 0 minus, when x is minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1 plus 1, that is also 0. So, clearly answer 0, fourth one. Next, fifth one. Sum of the coefficients of all the integral powers of x in 1 plus 2 root x whole power 40. So this is new one. Actually, no standard result in the above table for this. So x powers of x are 1, 2, 3. Powers of x are integers. Powers of x are integers. We can apply the above, the formulas in the above. But powers of x are rationals 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 5 by 6, etc. Then see the ordinary working group. First I am writing the ordinary expansion of this one. So all of you know the formula for the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. NC0 means 1 plus NC1 into x plus NC2 into x squared and so on. So from this formula for this 1 plus 40C1 into 2 root x plus 40C2 into 2 root x whole square plus 40C3 into 2 root x whole cube plus 40C4 into 2 root x whole power 4 and so on. Now what is required? Required is sum of the coefficients of integral powers of x. Okay, means powers of x are always integers. So in this one coefficient of x is 0. So this is required. Required contain 1. Next, in this case power of x is 1 by 2. So not integer. Root x whole square. Root x whole square is x. So power, in this case power of x is integer. Power 3 by 2 not integer. Power 2 integer. Therefore, so indirectly what is required here? Required is nothing but, so powers of sum of the, so for this problem sum of the coefficients of the terms with integral powers is nothing but sum of the coefficients of the alternative terms. So that means first one, third one means A0 plus A2 plus A4 and so on. So required is required is nothing but a0 plus a2 plus a4 and so on. So there is formula, see third formula. Formula for a0 plus a2 plus a4 plus this is formula. So a0 plus a2 plus a4 and so on formula f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. But in this formula, power of x in this one variable is x. So put x equal to 1. So but here variable is not x, variable is root x. Here variable is root x. Therefore required is f of 1 means f of at root x equal to 1. Next f of at root x equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore when root x is 1, 1 plus 2, 3 power 40. When root x is minus 1, of course root x is minus 1 not possible, okay, but that means x is I, root x. So in complex numbers that is also possible. So when root x is minus 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1 whole power even number plus 1. So 3 power 40 plus 1 by 2. Suppose required contain cube root of x, then f of 1 means cube root of x equal to 1. F of minus 1 means cube root of x equal to minus 1. Okay. Sixth one, see. The sum of the coefficients in x plus y whole power n is 5, 12. Then the greatest value of NCR. So this point is very, very important. See, given that sum of all the coefficients in this expansion is given, that is 5, 12. So from our procedure, sum of all the coefficients obtained by keeping x equal to y equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 power n. 2 power n equal to 512 means n is the value of n is 9. Now required is maximum value of NCR means 9CR. See maximum NCR. NCR has maximum value at r equal to n by 2 when n is even, at r equal to n minus 1 by 2 or n plus 1 by 2 when n is odd. So here in the place of n, 9 is odd. Therefore the value of this is maximum when r equal to 9 minus 1 by 2 or 9 plus 1 by 2. So maximum value of 9CR is 9C4 or 9C5. So both are equal. See, seventh one. If 1 plus x into 1 plus x plus x square into 1 plus x plus x square plus x cube into and so on, 1 plus x plus x square plus and so on, x power n minus 1 equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on. Then required is a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus and so on. Means again sum of the all binomial coefficients. Sorry, sum of all coefficients. So clear, sum of all coefficients is f of 1. Here f of x is this total LHS. This total LHS is f of x. So when x is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into and so on, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on n times 2. Start non-zero case, 0 to n minus 1, n terms. So clearly 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on, n is n factorial answer. Next, 8th one. See, if 1 plus x square whole power n equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on, then required is a1 plus 2a2 plus 3a3 and so on. Direct formula, see the above notes. So clearly formula for this f dash 1. So derivative of that one, n into 1 plus x square whole power n minus 1 into derivative of internal one, 1 plus 2x. 1 plus 2x at x equal to 1. So when x equal to 1, 1 plus 1, n into 3 power n minus 1 into 1 plus 2, 3. Therefore answer 3n into 3 power n minus 1. Again 3 into 3 power n minus 1 is nothing but 3 power n answer. Next is similar problem, 9th one. In the expansion of 1 plus x square whole power n, required is a1 minus 2a2 plus 3a3 and so on. Similarly, formula for this f dash of minus 1. Same. Put x equal to minus 1 in this one. 1 minus 1, 0 plus 1, whole power n minus 1, 1. So final answer n into minus 1 is minus n answer. Next. 10th one. If 1 plus x minus 2x square whole power 8 equal to 1 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on. Required is a2 plus a4 plus a6 plus and so on, and a1 plus a3 plus a5 plus and so on. So we know that a0 plus a2 plus a4, a0, we know that a0 plus a2 plus a4 and so on, formula f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2. But here required start from a2, there is no a0, but here clearly a0 is 1, therefore required is, from that formula required is f of 1 plus f of minus 1 by 2 minus a0 means 1 here, this is a0. So clear, f of 1 value 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 0. F of minus 1 value 1 minus 1, so minus 2 whole power 8 by 2 minus 1. Clearly formula for this f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. So problem is easy. ఎప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఈజీ మీకు పైన డేటా అంతా మైండ్ లో ఉంటే ఈజీ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని. సో ప్లీజ్ బై హార్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 12th one. If 1 plus x square whole power 8 equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on, required is a0 minus a2 plus a4 minus a6 and so on. Next, minus a3 plus a5 minus a7 and so on. So clearly formulas, first one formula f of y plus f of minus I by 2. Second one's formula f of y minus f of minus I by 2. So clearly f of y, so by keeping x equal to I, 1 plus I square value minus 1 whole power 8. So 1 cancel, I power 8 is 1. F of minus I, 1 minus I whole square is also minus. So minus I whole power 8 is also 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 2 value 1 answer. So here 1 minus 1 by 2i equal to 0. Okay. Next. 13th one. If 1 plus x square whole power n equal to sigma r equal to 0 to 2n ar x power r, then the value of a0 plus a3 plus a6 and so on. So clearly start from a0 and difference of consecutive suffix values is 3. So formula for this from the above table, f of 1 plus f of omega plus f of omega square by 3. Okay, clearly f of 1 is 3 power n, f of omega 1 plus omega square value 0, omega square 1 plus omega square whole square omega power 4 omega is again 1 plus omega square plus omega 0 power n is also 0 by 3. So answer 3 power n minus 1. Thus problems related to the above concept are very easy when you practice the above and by heart. Practice and by heart the above. Tomorrow we will discuss some more problems related to advanced